You had a choice. Protester 100 or 10 Garfield Highs fundraiser. And you chose a path that led you to getting arrested.
Nafessa is obviously Jefferson Pierce's oldest daughter.
Either we help the community as a whole or we will all go down in pieces.
No, this is not about one of your political diatribes right now.
She has her opinions, yes she does, and she fights for them, and she's willing to put it all on the line for it too. We don't know that our father is Black Lightning.
What happened, Dad? When did you abandon your people?
He retired, and we as his daughters, we get into a little trouble and we bring him out of retirement.
You better have your behind in the house no later than 10:15. I'm not playing. No, seriously.
We are the first Black superhero family to be on network TV, so it's a part of history. How historic is that? So I'm honored to be a part of the show.
Love you. And stop calling me Harriet Tubman. Oh, sorry.
Harriet.
See that button down there? If you click it, all of your hopes and dreams will come true. Never miss new video from the CW again.